Bonjour mes amis, this is SERVi Homestead. Thanks for joining us. Today we need to take care of this little Poulan Push Mower. Alright, you can learn a lot just by looking over a mower. It's nothing fancy. Somewhere around 5 horsepower, maybe a little less. They go by foot-pounds of torque, and so this may be like a 4.5 horsepower engine. So the wheels are a little wobbly. This adjustment bar is twisted. It's kind of dirty. This handle has already had some damage. The guy asked me to replace the pin or the bolt. Let's check the oil. Very low and medium dark. Fuel, it's full. Yeah, it smells fresh, but it doesn't mean they didn't mix old with new. Well, here's the main problem: the kill wire. So to run the push mower, you squeeze this down, then you reach over and start it by pulling this. So when this bar is back, this cable should pull and this outer sheath should stay still. When you pull this cable, it's connected to this. This stays still, and again the cable moves. When that cable moves, it pulls the brake off of the flywheel so that the engine can spin freely, and it disconnects the kill cable so that your ignition coil is not grounded out. Alright, something else that can tell us a lot is the condition of the blade. I can see that it's bent already. Wow, that's serious. So they hit the concrete or a brick or a stump really hard, bent the corner of that blade. The engine probably died right away and stopped turning. The other corner is not bent. So I hope this thing did not do major damage to the engine.
It chucks in a low spot.
Alright, so here is the air filter housing. It had 2 screws like this on it. One here and one over here. And then these 2 screws with the Torx head in the middle. One here and one down here. These with the Torx head are what hold the housing to the carburetor, it looks like, and then the 2 black ones hold the whole housing to a frame.
Then you just take off your governor bar with the Z-bend on the end of it.
We will remove these 2 screws here. It's time.